What's up everyone, this is Rabia. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe, and let's begin color correcting this photo. It looks pretty darn yellow to me. So first step that I like to do is auto color it just to see how things go. So this looks pretty black and white-ish to me. Then my second step is to auto tone it. Okay, third step, I like to increase my brightness just so when I color corrected I can see the color popping. Okay, all right, third thing, I like to color balance. So what color balance does is basically lets you play with your yellows and blues and greens with shadows, midtones, and highlights. So I feel like my midtones need a little bit of blue, and I'm gonna also increase blue in the highlights just a tiny bit, not going crazy. Hit okay, and then I like to play with levels. Levels is basically adjusting your exposure, shadows, etc. So I like to play with the middle, like middle thing, I don't know what's it called, but I like to play with that. Then my favorite part is Vibrance. So we have Vibrance. I'm gonna increase a lot of it, and then we're gonna increase the saturations as well, like this. Now I feel like it's going somewhere. So now I feel like the corner here is a little bit too bright, so if you put it against like a white background, it may fade away into the, you know, wherever you're using, like on a brochure or on a postcard or whatever. So I like to do basically is select my gradient, and I'm gonna just lightly warm it up a little in the corner so it doesn't like blow out on my face. So here it is, my leaf color corrected. I'm going to show you the previous version. So this was the original that we started from, and now we are here. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next time.